Hey, it's Kylie from Gerber, and this is the Asada. If you think a cleaver only belongs in the kitchen, think again. We took the classic shape and amped it up for daily use, no matter where that takes you. The finger flipper deployment is seamless with Boss Tech. The ball bearing system delivers smooth, consistent opening every time. The Asada is an EDC folding knife that was designed with style in mind. It's got a cleaver style blade. The full plain edge and classic shape are perfect for utility tasks, big and small. The frame lock is easy to operate with a patented pinch plate. This keeps the user's fingers off the lock bar, ensuring positive deployment. We incorporated fresh trends, colors, and materials to induce some serious blade envy. It's available in 2 blade materials, 7CR stainless steel or D2. Handle material options include anodized aluminum or micarta. If you're looking to make a statement, look no further. If you're looking to make your friends jealous, we've got you covered there too. The Asada is the perfect daily carry if you're looking to take your pocket style up a few notches. And like all Gerber products, the Asada is backed by the Gerber guarantee.
This is the Highbrow from Gerber. Ease of use was a top priority with this knife. The assisted opening mechanism is smooth and can be quickly activated by the finger flipper. The pivot lock can be accessed from both sides, which makes closing the knife really simple. Continuing with the ambidextrous design, the pocket clip can be arranged for left or right hand tip-up carry. The Highbrow is available as a full-size or compact in multiple colors. Onyx and gray are also available with a partially serrated blade. Blending high-end style with ease of use, the Highbrow takes the pocket dump up a notch. This is the Quadrant from Gerber. Standing out in a crowd is one thing. Having the toughness to back it up is another. And this knife does both. A finger flip makes it easy to open, and a frame lock delivers peace of mind when the straight edge sheep's foot blade is in use. It's available with a bamboo or G10 composite handle scale. The Quadrant is where form and function intersect.